Here I've got Honor View 20 and let me show you how to grab a screen, how to take a screenshot on the following device. So at first we have to open some screen to capture. For example, let me open music. And if you would like to show all the music that you have, you can create a screenshot, of course. So just tap on power key and volume down key, hold them all together. And as you can see, the screenshot has been made. You can click on it. It's here. Now you can share it, you can edit it, you can delete it, or do whatever you want to. Let's go to the second method. So let's open some different screen. For example, the settings, maybe the battery information. And now you can swipe down the upper bar and now click on screenshot. And that's it. As you can see, you've got the screenshot here. So that's it. Now you can open it and do exactly the same things. And finally, there is a super trick on this Huawei Honor View 20. Just let me open some other screen, for example, phone manager, and now you can just knock twice on your screen. So let me do it. And as you can see, the screenshot has been made. You can also make a long screenshot. So let me open the settings. Take whichever method you prefer. So I will knock twice and now just scroll down to have the long screenshot. Let me open the gallery, so it's here. And as you can see here, we've got all the screenshot that has been made. So now you can also here share them, add to favorites, delete, edit, on, pick some more options. You can even print it or export it to PDF. So that's it. Now you can capture the fleeting content on your device. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.